Just Buggin. Hey guys, it's G-Man,
Dalton,
Rick, and we're all the Just Buggin crew. And we wanted to make an announcement. We got an invite, and we had to come up with this video you're seeing right now to announce that we are going to be at the Sunshine Air-Cooled VDUBs on the Skyway in Tampa. Dana and Merlin invited us over there, and we're going to be participating. We'll be in the event, we'll be filming the event, and I think we're going to be driving some of their vehicles that need to get some miles on them.
Yeah.
And we much appreciate that invitation there. And we're going to do the best as usual. Dalton, with all his expertise, is going to make a great video of this event.
Is it also going to be somebody's birthday as well?
Yes, yeah, it's Merlin's birthday.
Yes, and that's going to be a blast. I hear there's an after party too. Yeah, BYOB. I'm all about that, but that's going to have to be after I park that vehicle that they're going to let me drive.
But I'm pretty sure it starts at like 10 a.m. and they're going to be at the Masmo Plaza. I might be wrong, but I'll put that up on the screen. And they'll be cruising across the bridge over to, I think, the Bay Country Club or something, and then they'll have entertainment, food and drinks and everything at your car supposedly, which is really cool. And then afterwards we're going to the Sunshine Air-Cooled shop, which will be cool for us because we
we haven't been over
I've seen
there.
it only in videos. So.
Yeah, so this is going to be exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. I have never been to this event, like many others that we talk about, that it's a first, so this will be a first, and we're extremely excited, and like we said, we appreciate the invitation and all of the above, and we'll see you there. And we hope to see our Just Buggin fans, our Just Buggin cars,
and we hope to meet some
all
new
the
people
VW lovers out there, and let's have some fun on the Skyway Bridge in Tampa, Florida.
Yeah.
See you there.
See you guys there. Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little announcement video. So yeah guys, we will be at the VWs over the Skyway Bridge on June 6th, presented by Sunshine Air-Cooled. We will be sponsoring the event, so come out there, and if you haven't met us or you have already met us and want to come out and chill with us, then definitely come out there and visit us. So yeah, it will be Merlin's birthday too, so come out there and celebrate that too. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a Just Buggin' of a day. Come out and bring your VWs out, and let's cruise across that bridge.